Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. Today I'm going to give you a quick review / comparison of two different chin-up pull-up bars. This bar right here, as I showed you in a previous video, it does several other things and comes with several other things. However, I'm just going to focus in on the chin-ups and pull-ups. This bar right here is your standard old-fashioned home chin-up pull-up bar. Problem, you need to screw it in. So that requires a drill if you want to get it in sturdy. If you have concrete walls and or steel beams, you need special drill bits. I'm not showing you the right size, just showing you a sample. And this isn't portable. Another issue I found is, even with the concrete screws that I use, special screws, it still started to break down over time. The hole started to widen and the grip started to loosen, so I wound up taking it off. I'm going to show you how simple it is to use this one for chin-ups and pull-ups and the additional benefits. Okay, as you see, I have it set up in the doorway. It took me 10-20 seconds. The way this works is, on one side, the bars are holding it from going inward. Then, on the opposite end, this piece goes on top of the little platform behind your doorway. I would suggest, though, that you use a doorway that has a deeper platform. One other thing is, when you do use it, always give it a test before you begin to do your exercises. And what I mean by that is, tug on it, pull it, make sure it's not going to fall down in the middle of your exercises, because you could get hurt or break something. The worst thing to break would be one of your bones. So test it out. And now, as you see, it went down, and just as easily, it goes back up. In addition, this chin-up pull-up bar also has various grips. So, my recommendation, as you probably figured out by now, would be this one for pull-ups and chin-ups. If you want to know more about this bar, check out the original video in my fitness playlist. Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and tell everyone you know about PR's Realm on YouTube. www.youtube.com/PRsRealm.